Hi buddy, welcome back to another video. I'm Jeet and today I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos without any software. So just let's start it. So guys, this is my channel and I'm going to show you how to download any videos from YouTube. For just example, I'm going to show you how to download any videos on my this video intro video, and the video is opened here. I'm going to just play for show you. Okay, this is the video, and this I'm going to show how to download this video, how to download any video, but I'm going to show you on this video guys. So let's start it. First you have to click on this link and you have to click on the YouTube www.youtube.com in the middle of YouTube, and next to the dot you have to click on here and just type SS and press the enter button and wait some time and the page will appear, and there is a pop-up notification will appear in your window, you can see, and you have to close it both and just wait some time. Okay, now here you can see the video which was you want to download, and here you can select the quality from MP4. Here you can see MP4 720p. Here's second option, MP4 360. You can download it from download any 360p you can download, and here you can download HD but MP3, right? So I'm just gonna click on 720p and just wait some time. This page will redirect you to the download option. Okay, my video is downloaded, so here you can see the video. So I'm gonna open it by click on it. So here it is, you can see the downloaded video is now in my computer. So that's it guys for download YouTube videos from YouTube without any software. If you like this video, if you get some help from this video, then like my video from down below, and if you have some comments, if you have some problems, then comment me down below and subscribe my channel if you're not yet. Then you will automatically get all videos notification after I upload any videos. Okay, so bye bye and tata, take care.